April 14, April 17, April 19, not the dates to be missed. If you felt stagnated, you didn't feel this whole new year vibe, what is up with the vision boards, what is happening, why is there no momentum, then now we are, congratulations, finally starting this new year. The last 1 month, the sun was in Pisces with Saturn. That phase was all about endings, emotional heaviness, identity breakdown. Because, well, Pisces is the last house. Saturn is coming into Pisces after 30 years. And now the sun, which is your identity, has come together in the last house. So you are going through massive sudden shifts at a cellular level. This is not like any other number one year, any other new year. It is setting the stage for a brand new cycle. So on April 14, the sun moves into Aries, its strongest position, also the first zodiac. And then we have a new moon in Ashwini Nakshatra on April 17. And this is not a reflection energy. This is full on initiation energy. Ashwini is ruled by the celestial healers, the planet Ketu, which is highly intuitive. But here's what most people do not understand. This nakshatra does not heal slowly. It triggers movement. Okay, it's going to activate your system so fast that whatever is inside of you, that is going to start moving and taking center stage. So if you're feeling restless, impatient, suddenly wanting to change everything, or like you can't sit still, this is the reason why your system is shifting from closure towards action, and this was the real catch. This energy is not about creating something new. It is going to amplify what's already inside of you. So if you've been clearing, healing, doing the inner work, this is going to become fast momentum. But if you're still carrying confusion, emotional clutter, and patterns, this will become stressful, impulsive, and scattered. This is not something that you will be told, because this is where most people go wrong. Okay, they think new moon is equal to fresh new start everything new. No. This new moon is asking you, please pay attention. What version of you is starting? Because if your identity has not shifted, your results will not either. This is like sitting in a Ferrari. The engine is on, but if you're not stable, speed will not help you. If you do not have a direction, that fast speed is not going to help you. So the real question is, how do you actually use this energy without burning out? And I've broken down the top 6 things that you can do during this new moon to create clarity, direction, and real movement, and top 4 things to avoid. You can comment new moon and I will send you the link. Have a fabulous week and a wonderful year.